What is up, party people? Welcome to Halifax, Nova Scotia. Here in Halifax, we had what I think is our last golden day of the tour. A golden day is where we aren't traveling to the next venue and we aren't doing a show. A golden day is a true day off. It doesn't happen very often. Not complaining, but golden days are aptly named because they're so nice. So because we had a golden day in Halifax, we have plenty of time to check out plenty of stuff. That being said, I just stayed in the room all day. I'm just kidding. I did a lot of stuff. If you find yourself in Halifax, Nova Scotia, be sure to check out the Boardroom Game Cafe. This is a great place to gather with some friends, play some board games, drink some beverages. They do have a full-service bar and kitchen and plenty of board games to choose from. You don't have to BYO board games. You can actually play the board games they have there. If you want to check out a cool music store, there are a couple different options. There's the Folklore Center in downtown Halifax is a independently owned and operated music store by a guy named Thomas Dorward, who is a luthier who, that means that he can make his own instruments. My brother is actually a luthier, so this is close to home for me. The guitar that I brought on tour is one that he made. While we were here, Daryl needed to replace his audio interface, so we also went to the Canada equivalent to Guitar Center, I guess, Long and McQuaid. This is a more commercial music store, very comparable to like a Guitar Center, and it's laid out in a very cool way. There was also this incredible Telecaster that I wanted to play, but I could not afford to touch it. If you're interested in history, be sure to check out the Maritime Museum of the Atlantic. There's a great exhibit on the Titanic, and if you're interested in the development of powered ships from sailboats, there's a great exhibit there too. When you get hungry, check out Ristorante a Mano. This cute little Italian place had some incredible eggplant parmesan. Here we played the Scotia Bank Center. It's another arena and it feels really good to sell really well in an arena. Feels like you're a pop star and you're doing an arena tour. It was a great crowd, really responsive. People were getting up and dancing. It was a good time. Michael had to call out of the show here in Halifax, so I went on for the role of sleazy producer today. Showed some great moves in there. Yeah, well, I produce over at Orion Pictures. It was so great to spend a lot of time here in Halifax and actually get to explore the city. But Halifax has come to an end, so on we must go. Next stop, Moncton, New Brunswick. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.